Here at our Jonesboro, Arkansas facility, we manufacture OCAL PVC-Coated Conduit and fittings with one goal in mind: giving contractors and engineers the confidence they need on the job site. From corrosion resistance to installation reliability, every product we make is built to perform in the field.
We control the entire coating process, from raw steel to finished product, right here in the house. That means no reliance on pre-galvanized pipe from outside vendors. It means no risk to transit damage. Our conduit starts as black steel, gets hot dip galvanized, and then coated with PVC, all under one roof. For fittings, whether T&B or Steel City, many are made here and coated here, ensuring total quality control.
Contractors install our products in some of the most demanding environments: chemical plants, refineries, wastewater facilities, and coastal sites.
That's why we go the extra mile here in Jonesboro.
We thread the pipe before galvanizing, so even the threads, the most vulnerable part of the system, are protected with zinc.
Then we apply the PVC coating for long-term durability, and for fittings, we add a urethane layer inside and out before the PVC, giving you multiple layers of defense against corrosion.
Installing PVC-coated conduit takes skill, and we're here to help contractors build that expertise. We have a nationwide network of OCAL installation training masters, and that all starts right here in Jonesboro. Each year, trainers learn both classroom theory and hands-on techniques, preparing them to certify electricians across the country. Certified installers not only gain confidence, they also unlock extended product warranties, increased from 2 years to 5.
We understand the pressures contractors face: tight timelines, evolving designs, and last-minute changes. That's why our Jonesboro facility is built for scale and speed. And with stocking locations across North America, we make sure you get the products you need when you need them, whether it's a small retrofit or a mega-scale industrial project. I gotta tell you, from design to delivery, from raw steel to finished protection, everything we do at Jonesboro is built around one word: confidence. It's confidence of quality, confidence of performance, confidence of expertise, and confidence of service. That's the OCAL difference. That's confidence. Coated.